We did a lot of things this Xterra today, and somebody lost a competition.
Whoops.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't drop your wrench.
And now here's things.
So if you're just joining us, we're taking this old broken Nissan Xterra and we're gonna turn it into a little mini RV sort of thing.
Off-road RV camper adventure machine?
That. But first, we have to put the V back in RV. So we're gonna take all these parts and get Sarah running good.
So this is where we like put in time lapse and then it's all done and we're just drinking beers while someone else does the work?
Look, it's done. Can someone hand me a beer?
So completely unrelated to the fact that we found some checkbooks in the car, we have parts. What parts do we have?
In the front of the car, we have Amazon's finest motor oil.
Ah, Bezos juice.
Timing belt kit.
Nothing to do with Bezos.
Rear main seal.
Is that leaking?
Battery terminal.
Nipple clamp?
Oil filter. He probably has some inappropriate name for this too.
It's just an oil filter. Oil.
And another timing belt kit because the first one wasn't a timing belt kit. This is the timing belt. These are accessory belts because ours are all cooked.
We got belts, we got nipple clamps.
In the box.
Oh. But wait, there's even more treasure back here.
Wow, more treasure. Ball joints for your ball joints. Eagle eyes for when your bird needs to see. Headlights. Oh, this one's good. This is the poor man's lift kit for a Nissan Xterra. So these are rear leaf shackles. They're gonna raise the back about 1.5 inches, and then the front, you just kind of crank the torsion bars and up she goes.
We also have a whole collection of junkyard parts, which you saw in the last video. If you didn't see that video, go watch it. Where do we start? We've decided to start on the most important thing first, cosmetics. Sarah needs a new nose, and what's left of her old nose has to go. This bumper cannot handle an impact.
No, we need, if Sarah's ever gonna drive this vehicle again, which maybe she will, I don't know. It needs something more sturdy, something that can survive a ditch, something that can survive front end impacts at high speeds, something that can survive Sarah.
Away with the old, in with the nose.
Yes, nose.
Be really quiet.
So we got most of the broken stuff on the front off, and we got the fender over here off. We found this neat little, we were wondering what this was. It's like a little air thing that goes back into the air box. Air intake's here, comes around, does something in here. I don't think it's like an don't drown your vehicle device, but who knows. So next we have the white fender from the junkyard. We think we're gonna go ahead and paint it black, not because it's going to be black, but that way the inside and all that stuff matches the rest of SaraTerra, and no one will ever know that a fender came from somewhere else.
Except for the entire internet.
Oh, those guys. Here we are in the Zero to Awesome state-of-the-art paint booth.
Wait, isn't this where your wife parks her car?
And also paints her car.
Oh, okay. That works.
So we're just gonna heat this with a little bit of black, actually engine paint, because I randomly had that in my garage.
Also, the fender is close to the engine.
Yeah, true. Safety first.
Oh, thank you.
Most recent repair, washer fluid reservoir, and Someone just filled it up with water because we didn't have washer fluid, but you know, water's good.
The bucket was kind of soapy, so it's kind of soapy water.
Ha! So now we're gonna see, did our repair fix the light on the dashboard or not? Where's the light?
Is it gone?
I don't even know which side it's on.
Did the bulb
Because I don't see
out?
it. Oh god. Oh god. That was a bad idea. We hear water leaking out from somewhere. Oh.
Huh. It's just like the taillight.
Well, you just kind of spray it wherever.
Oh, look at this. Oh my god.
Oh no, my windshield is dirty.
This
It goes over.
this one's a bit aggressive. So this one ended up somewhere over there. Actually, it's on the 4Runner. This afternoon, we're going to take a little break from the SaraTerra project to show you how to restore headlights. It's really easy. All you use is a little bit of plastic restorer, a rag, and just like that, you've got a nice, clean, fresh headlight. Time for the bodywork wrench.
Yeah, we got some metal here that the fender bolts onto that's a little bit out of place, and so we're gonna get our most delicate tool that we have and just bend it back.
I learned this in accounting school. Oh god.
Didn't get very good grades there, did you?
Nope. Now it's very important
He's gonna do it.
to drain your taillight.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
What's it taste like?
Tastes like I'm going to the hospital. We find ourselves at a crossroads. This taillight needs to go on, and Steven's about to replace this taillight. It involves 2 screws, 3 light bulbs. How long do you think this will take you?
3 hours?
Let's go with a more aggressive target.
3 minutes.
3 minutes. If you can get this taillight on in 3 minutes, I will run and jump into your pool as is, right when you finish. If not, you have to run and jump in the pool after 3 minutes. Ready, set, go. Clock's ticking. Wow, he had such an aggressive start. I was worried. For at least 1 minute and 17 seconds I was worried. And now I'm confident I'm gonna get to work the rest of the afternoon with dry shoes. God.
This is gonna need some modification.
He's got 1 minute 30 seconds to modify. With less than a minute remaining, I would have gone with a more aggressive tool than sandpaper.
This is the closest thing I could find.
And now we throw at him a mystery ingredient he must incorporate into the final dish. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, that took a turn. Somebody's going in, shoes and all, after they finish the taillight.
Well, here's the problem. You left part of the other car on this light.
I didn't even know I did that, but that was a good idea.
You guys want to go for a swim? We painted the fender with this stuff, which is apparently crap because it came out like all kind of like rhino lining, which is actually what we're going to do to this car eventually, but we didn't want it that way now. But whatever, because I guess that gives us an idea of what it'll look like later.
It matches better.
Oh yeah, it's no longer white. look, it's a different day, and I'm dry, and Alan's not here, but we're gonna do some more work anyway because we need to make progress. Gonna change out the steering wheel. Our steering wheel has seen better days. Junkyard steering wheel has many days left in it. Boom. New and improved steering wheel. This is a universal battery tie-down kit, and we can modify it to work for us because we are in the universe. ABS module from the junkyard goes right here. I have removed at least 2 of these within the past month, so this should be a piece of cake. Our new module is in. Now we have to bleed the brakes. That stuff looks a little used. So we're just gonna go until we see clear stuff coming out, and every so often we'll go back up there and top off the reservoir so it doesn't run dry. Something tells me we're gonna have to get everything that's in the lines out. All right, that's starting to look like new fluid. I think we're done here. Just repeat that 3 more times and we're good to go. All right, done with all 4 wheels. So let's start this thing up and see if we still have our abs light. Ooh. It is gone, folks. I mean, there's a chance it could always come back, but it's gone for now. So that means we have cleared all of our dash lights. Well, as soon as I put my seatbelt on, that is. But that is progress.
Things have been accomplished.
Yes, many things.
Washer reservoir has been replaced. It used to be white, now it's black. Also, that fender used to be dented, and then it was white, and then it turned black, and now it's back on the car without a dent. Headlights, we cleaned them up really well. We did not just buy new headlights.
Junkyard taillight, good to go.
It's been drained and replaced. So next is bumpers, grill, and then some mechanical things we have to take care of.
Off-road mini RV, we're starting to think of ideas of things to RV it out with. So if you have any ideas, let us know.
How to camperify it.
Yeah, I think the basic plan is gut the back and redo it all.
With luxury.
With luxury.
And utility.
Luxtility.
Luxtility. The first SaraTerra Luxtility utility vehicle.
Yes. So until next time,
here's Steven coming at you with wet underwear.
And a wrench.
Okay, it's recording. Not
today on Zero to Awesome, we turned our SaraTerra into a boat.
Boat Terra.